My dear students, welcome back to my YouTube English channel, English with Malik Sir. In the previous, the significance of sentence structure in spoken and written English. Yes, how noun phrase discussion segment is based on the very discussion here. Use of possessive determiners, apostrophe s, of genitive and double genitive, possessive pronouns or mind type words. Yes, these are a major part of discussion in connection with the formation of noun phrase. Okay, now see how. Yes, here we find the matter that possessive determiners is a word like my, our, like my, our, your, his, her, it, their, once, Sujata's, India's, to shows ownership. Yes, ownership. I mean, but in other words, what you say, possession or possession of a noun. Okay. It is these determiners are usually used to in everyday, spoken and written English. Yes, younger is the adjective, brother is the head noun. Okay, our school. School is the head noun, as we know. Our is a possessive word. Yes, your garden. Garden is the head noun, and your is the possessive word. His bedroom. Bedroom is a possessive word. Bedroom is a noun. His is a possessive. Her grandmother. There is a possessive word. Yes. One. Use of apostrophe. What we mean by these are what we say possessive determiners, because they express possession remaining before the head noun in a noun phrase. Okay? Okay. Over. Now come to the next idea. Use of apostrophe s. This is another interesting factor. Use of apostrophe s, of, yes, of, mind type words, and own. All these four also possessive words or possessive determiners. Then how? Listen. Here we find apostrophe s is used to after a singular noun indicating a person or possession. Whenever, yes, here we find Marconi's invention. Okay, Marconi's invention of India. Mother-in-law's house. It means the house of mother-in-law. Yes, tiger's paw. Okay, everybody's business. Governor General's order. These are the way before, that is before apostrophe, okay, of a noun phrase. Okay, here Governor General's order and possessive determiner. Yes, now come number 2. Yes, this is number 1, and here 2, it is used to, apostrophe s is used, not apostrophe s. Remember how the plural is girls. Apostrophe has been used to boys' hostel. Yes, possession of the boys only. Okay, boys s apostrophe. It means teachers' day, day of the teachers. Okay, and here we find the doctor's assistant. Yes, the similar way, whenever it indicates that whenever any plural counter noun ends with s, yes, okay, to indicate names ending in s. If any name ends in s, definitely take only listen. Kids, John Kids. A thing of beauty is a joy forever. This is a famous quotation or a famous line that comes from his poem, and therefore it is world famous. A thing of beauty is. So here kids ends with the S, therefore here we find theorem. Pythagoras theorem, here we find apostrophe is used, hour of truth, and a great philosopher we use apostrophe or apostrophe yes. Okay, now come if plural noun doesn't end. Very interesting factor. If plural noun doesn't end in plural noun, doesn't end in s, then s is used after. In s, then only apostrophe is used. If a plural noun doesn't end in s, then apostrophe s is used. These are the difference. Yes, and here we find children's park because the plural of child is children. Therefore, apostrophe s must be used. Yes, here this is that is the root of democracy. The voice of people is the voice of God. People's apostrophe s is used. Here, O man, plural is women. Therefore, apostrophe s is used. Women's college. College meant for women. Okay? Over. Now come the other idea that is about the here. Point 3, then one noun. You see, when a Mr. and Mrs. Tripaঠি's house, it means the house, a noun that is a house. Mr. and Mrs. Tripaঠি's house. Yes, we shouldn't write Mr.'s and Mr. Tripaঠি's and Mrs. Tripaঠি's house. Therefore, here this is the right answer. Raju and Mita's father. If we say Raju, Mita, Mitas, we cannot write Raju's and Mitas. Okay. Now come here. We find the matter, and here point 4. Apostrophe s is used with nouns expressing groups of people or organizations. Whenever we indicate any group of people or organization, then in that case apostrophe s is used. Then how? Listen, India's population. Remember, India's population or population of India. So remember here, India's population. Yes, you see, India's population is equal to the population of India. Okay, and this is a possessive factor, and the both group and this expressing group of people indicate a group that is board. Definitely it consists of a group of people, and that's why board's proposal, it means the proposal of the board. Yes, in this case apostrophe s is used. Okay, now come another idea. Point 5, we find in our spoken English and also written English, walk. Apostrophe is used to after, that is minutes. Walk. Walk is the head noun. 5 minutes walk. Similarly, yesterday's incident, a yard's length. Yes, here a day's work, it is a matter of a day's work. Okay, and Sunday's newspaper. Yes, have you got Sunday's newspaper? Yes, here Sunday's newspaper, a month's salary. Naturally, here in this case, using apostrophe, spends his month's salary very carefully. Okay, so here we find natural next expressions. Yes, what that mean? That is very called few expressions. We also express that how For heaven's sake, I was, you see, for heaven's sake, I'm not the culprit. For heaven's sake, don't say such type of words. Yes, for heaven's sake, for God's sake, for God's sake. And here, a stone's throw. My house is at a stone's throw from my friend. Yes, so it means my friend's house. A stone's throw, it means not far from. Yes, here we find at one's finger end. Oh, this problem can easily be solved. It can be done. It means it is within. It is at one's finger end. Yes, to one's heart content. Yes, take meal, heart's content. Rahul has taken his heart's content, one's heart content. Okay, now come. And here we find number 7. It is also used to form plural of letters and figures. Yes, whenever apostrophe s is also used in a plural forms of letters. Add 4 to 80. The second noun is omitted using apostrophe s. Here we find whenever we repeat